Alright guys, we're up here in Angelenos City right now and we are getting ready for the Lantern Festival. Let me give you kind of like a little history of the Lantern Festival here. I was speaking to the gentleman over in the tourism department, and really nice guy, and he kind of broke it down for me on how it all started. What had happened years ago, the farmers, they would work all day and they could never make it to the evening mass because they were just so tired. So what they decided to do is they wanted to come and do a morning mass. So what they would do is they would start in their barangay with a lantern, and they would go through the barangay with this lantern, and all the other farmers would kind of like join him, and then they would go to the church to have a morning mass. Now, over the years, it just got bigger and bigger and bigger. Now what you see is, of course, everything is, they're more decorated now. There's more meaning behind a lot of it. What you see is there's 8 barangays, and each barangay is led by a cross. The cross represents Jesus. Then behind that is the 12 different stars, or the 12 different other lanterns. And those 12 lanterns represent the 12 disciples. And then what follows it in the back end is I guess you would say it's kind of like a monument, or like a statue of one of the saints, whatever it is, Saint Peter, Saint Nicholas, whatever. But that's what it is. And now it's to the point where it's just grown to this, and this happens 9 days before Christmas. Now this one here is happening 10 days before Christmas, only because they start the 9th, doing it 9 days tomorrow in each one of their barangays. But as it progressed on, everything became more, became bigger and bigger and bigger. The stars got fancier, and it's now become like a competition amongst the barangays who has the biggest, fanciest lanterns and crosses and music and everything like that. So that's kind of just like a little history of how this all started. You know what? Here's the funny thing. I've never been up in Angelenos City here at night. Been here almost 3 years, and never been here at night. This is the first time I'm up here at night. I think they're staging over at the church. What? They're staging over at the church.
Yeah.
They're staging over at the Holy Parish Church here. Like I said, I've never been up here at night, but I've seen photos of the church at night. They have the rosary hanging up on the church there. And here's the park, little park area here. And there's lots of people. There's lots of people here. Traffic's still flowing through here. Can we go over there, Lut? All right, let's go over there. Let's take a walk over there. They do have a staging area where they're gonna, I think they're all gonna come over and display their lanterns. Yeah, first time ever up here at night. Oh, almost fell. Gotta watch. Yeah, here they all are. Different groups. I think there's 8. There should be 8 of them. But here they are. This is just a local tradition. See, there's the cross in the middle. Right there's the cross in the middle. They all have a cross. They all have a cross, and there should be 12 lanterns behind the cross. That's what I was told. Different groups here. then I think, look, is this what follows each of them?
Huh?
This what follows each of them, right?
Yeah.
This follows each of them then. They all have their own. They all have their own. I apologize for the lighting situation here, but I'm using the GoPro. The best I can do, guys. Hopefully Santa Claus brings me a new camera. So this is, you see it, this is it. All right, while I'm waiting, while we're waiting here for this to begin, another thing I wanted to say is the difference between this lantern festival, this is more local. This is a local tradition compared to the one in San Fernando. The one in San Fernando, that is more like a giant lantern festival where they just build giant lanterns. Yeah, that's more like tourism, like they'll promote that a lot. This one here is really not promoted. It's promoted on more of a local level than on like a tourist level. So that's kind of the difference between this festival and the giant lantern festival that happens in San Fernando. All right, so what's happening now is they're starting their procession. They're leaving the Holy Rosary Parish, and they're going to be doing the procession down through the streets through here. They started this, and then they will return back here to the staging area to perform. So that's what's going on now. I'm not going to follow them through the streets here, but that's what's going on. And like I said, we will get to the staging area where they will be performing. All right, here's where everybody's kind of gathering in this area here. You got food places open, little food stands open. This is the water, I guess a water display, but it's not going on right now. And it's funny because all the kids, they've taken I'm all coined out. Look is all coined out. There's like little kids going around, singing Christmas caroling songs and stuff to everybody, and I'm all coined out. I gave all my coins out to the kids. Yeah, they're just going around and singing Christmas carols and stuff, and getting coins from people. We are coined out. But yeah, here's the food places that are open.
Ning Pasku, sa sala ng dala, yung tao pinaganda, panatang niligliran, tubis na pera, kung sululan ng palo, igliban, igliban, pinaganda, masaya ng sabla, papalakpak ng tula, ikaw ang kimparo, misinggan ang puso mo, tubis na pera, ning sululan ng palo, igliban, 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 pinaganda, masaya ng sabla, papalakpak ng tula, ikaw ang kimparo, misinggan ang puso mo. Ikaw ang kimparo, misinggan ang puso mo.
If you're wondering how they light up these lanterns, there it is. They got a generator they're pulling behind. That's running. Everything's connected by the wires, ran up through, all the way up to the lanterns. Here's another generator. And that's how they're lighting up these lanterns. Hello. Generator power. All right, we're in the area now where they just finished up the competition and they're getting ready to give out the awards. And oh, they're all excited to get their awards. I'm not going to go back up in there. It's just crazy. And yeah, this is the after party, I guess you could say. I'll take a little stroll around here. We just got done. All these barangays just got done performing. And they've come over to this area to where they're just hanging out. Show you some more of this stuff here. Take a little stroll through here. There's a little angel. He's tired. All the kids. Hello. 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 All right, we gotta get out of here. Gotta go make sure our car is still there. What is this, Slut? Senior Cent Do Nino. All right, let's get out of here. We got the kids all dressed up here. Hello. All right, guys, we are getting out of here. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. You know what? It's hard to get in there and get like really good shots. I mean, they perform in like a real small area, and there's just people, they jam into that area, and you can't really get in there to get good shots. But you know what, I did my best, that's all I can do. But yeah, it's really neat to come down here and see this. It's a pretty cool lantern festival. Like I said, the Barangays do it, and it's only something that they do here in Angelenos City, and it's a local festival. But yeah, it's neat, it's cool to see. Like I said, I wish I could get in there and get better shots for you guys, but it's packed, you know. Tiny little area there gets full of people. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. And I guess, you know what, if you haven't subscribed, you like the channel, take the time to subscribe. Give me thumbs up, thumbs down, leave the comments down below, and I guess until next time.